Hey guys, I'm Sonika. I recently went to a one-day trip to Bhandardara and obviously I clicked a lot of pictures with my Nikon D5300. I want to show those pictures to you guys in today's video. And as I show you each picture, I'll also try to explain to you the thought process behind each picture, the composition rules I may have used there. Bhandardara, by the way, is a beautiful hill station near Mumbai, which is nestled with Igaturi ranges and lakes. So enough talking, let me show you my best photos. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video.
The main composition rule I try to follow for landscapes is to have a strong foreground for my images. So most of my images will have a foreground, middle ground and background to them as layers. Since we have a lake and beautiful light, we are bound to get beautiful reflections. Here I have reflections along with a foreground. Leading lines direct the eye of the user in the image. They add a lot of depth and meaning to a photo. I went with my friends and decided to let them go ahead so I could capture shots of the landscape with them. Having a person in your landscape image can help in giving a sense of scale to the images, meaning the viewer can kind of judge the size of the landscape relative to the human element. Less is more, truly. Minimalism looks very simple but can be a challenge to spot and photograph. I have tried to go minimal in my photography and I hope you like these frames.
So guys, I had a wonderful time clicking photos with my Nikon D5300, and in case you found this video to be useful, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous video at Marshage Ghat. Now please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.